Struggling with a worn-out pull-start clutch on your Briggs Stratton engine? Imagine getting that effortless, like new pull-start action back without hassle. If you own a small gasoline engine, especially classic models like the 8-horsepower vertical shaft, this genuine replacement part could be exactly what you need. I recently tackled the worn pull-start clutch on my 1978 Snapper Recycler rear engine rider, which has the classic 8-horsepower Briggs Stratton engine. The old clutch had finally given out, making starting the mower frustrating and slow. After carefully tapping off the worn clutch with a hammer and wood block, I installed the new OEM part. The fit was flawless, like it was made for that exact engine, and the pull-start action snapped back to smooth and responsive, just like when the mower was brand new. What you get is a precise fit that protects and extends the life of your Briggs Stratton engine. This replacement clutch is designed by the original manufacturer, so you avoid the guesswork and risk of ill-fitting aftermarket parts. It weighs just 0.7 pounds and fits within compact dimensions, making installation straightforward. If you're ready to bring your engine back to peak performance, this genuine Briggs Stratton part is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to restore reliable starts and keep your mower running strong.